Hi friends, it's Elaine Marie. Thank you for coming back. Look what I painted the other day. Isn't that cool? It's a winter scenery, and we have a little snow on the ground, little snow coming down, and we have a beautiful lantern right there, a post lantern right in the middle. Well, that's what we're going to paint today. Now, I already did my canvas. I painted it gray, took some white, put some black with that, painted it up gray. I already did the sides and the top, okay? I did it gray. Now you could do yours white or black, but I like the gray. And like this one here, I did the sides a darker gray. Well, anyway, we're going to have a good time. Okay, now, what do we have for brushes? We have what we have here is called a mop brush. M-O-P, mop brush. And that's what we're going to be doing to do our trees. So we're going to come in, okay? And this is what we're going to do. We're going to dab. Okay, we're gonna dab, and we're gonna start right up here. There you go. And I hope everyone is doing fine and everybody's happy and enjoying doing all your pictures. I know I am. And again, I'm coming in, dabbing. Let's come on this side. Now, the first one I did, my canvas is a lighter gray, but that's okay. I wanted to do this one a darker gray. And you're tapping very, very lightly, okay? Very, very lightly. I'm sorry, whoop. Get my... There you go. I'm going to be blocking what I'm doing here. Okay, now I have another one. Okay, this one I'm going to dab. I'm going to dab the white. Okay. I'm going to go right over that. But you still want to leave a lot of that black for the background for depth. This will be so, so pretty, and this will be your snow on your bush or your tree. Oh, I love that. Look how that pops right out, friends. It pops right out. Okay, so now I have a bristle brush. Okay, now we're going to take that. I already dampened it. Okay, I'm going to flatten that out like that. I'm going to come in very lightly. Here we go. And we're just going to tap. Yeah, that's your snowflakes. That's all your snowflakes coming down. Okay. Oh, this is looking great already. Now we're going to get your angular brush. Okay, and you're going to run that in with your black. You're going to make a line. Just like that. Run it down. Okay. Alright. And that's your trunk of your tree. Run that down. And if you want, just, there you go. You can just kind of do a little of that on the side. Okay, now I'm going to lift this up a little bit. Okay. And then I'm going to come in with another angular brush. Okay. I'm just going to scrape it through like that on the bottom. Just like that, friends. Yep. Okay, there you go. That's our snow. Okay. Oh, friends, I hope you enjoy painting. I know I do. And I do enjoy doing it with you. So now what we're going to do, with that angular brush, we're going to come up like this. Now this is going to be the distance of your path, of your snow. And you're going to lightly run that back and forth, just like that. And press down a little harder as you come down to the bottom. And that's your walkway. Now what we're going to do in step number 2, we're going to paint the lamppost. And I have a little red bow on that. And that's what we're going to do on this one. We're going to put the lamppost right here. And we'll have a nice red bow on it. I just can't wait. And again, on my easel, I did paint my easel gray. And I have this particular piece, I have it on top of my fireplace. I just love it. I love it. So please, friends, come back and we're going to do step number 2. Okay? And it will be fun. And we're going to get that lamppost in there. And thank you for tuning in, friends. And please tune back in on step number 2. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, friends. Can't wait for you to come back. Okay. Bye-bye now.